Hello everyone, this is Vishal Sharma from Astronomy, and today I'm going to tell you that how you can use your 3x ED GSO Barlow with your ZWO camera. So let's open this brand new GSO ED 3x Barlow. You can see the print and the build quality is very good. No plastic, everything is made from metal. And here is the front lens that you can unscrew from the barrel. So this front lens cell has threads to screw to any threaded barrel, and it is multi-coated. You can see the shine on the lens and the quality is very good. Here you can see internal threads, the female threads, and you can also unscrew this part also. Yeah, it has also threads, so you can screw and unscrew, and or you can use this as a without lens. You can use this as a T adapter. So I'm using this multiple times as a T adapter or as a extension tube. And here is my ZWO camera, ZWO 178MC. And now I'm going to show you how you can use a filter along with your 3x ED Barlow. So this is my ZWO UV IR cut filter, and it can be easily fitted into the lens cell like this. So you can also use any filter which has a threaded filter which can be fit into this lens cell. So both have different shining, both have different multi-coatings polish. And now I'm going to show you how you can fit your 3x Barlow on your ZWO camera or any camera having 1.25 inch nose piece. So remove this dust cap, and you can slide into it and tighten it with the nut. I hope this video will be useful for you, and if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you from Stardust Astronomy.